Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get more flowers by joining the Smoothie Mini Game in Dress and Press during the summer event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically you can earn flowers by completing this daily quest and also the seasonal quest. And there is another way to get more flowers guys. You can go to the free play mode and teleport to the beach. And once you arrive at the beach, you can talk to this person to start the game. And you have 2 minutes to serve smoothie for this girls. Okay, she has watermelon and also, I don't know, what is this fruit? But let's just serve it. Okay, once you pick the fruit, you can make a smoothie with this machine like this. And then you can pick the smoothie and serve to the girl. Okay, and the next one, we need watermelon and this yellow fruit. This one and also this one. And then we can use the machine. Just repeat that until it's over, and then you will get more flowers. Okay, I've done and I got 9 smoothies and flowers gained 27. Yeah, it's fun. You can try this game guys. Just go to the beach and join this game, and it will be refreshed after 4 minutes. So it has 5 minutes. It has a cooldown time. Okay guys, and that's how you can earn more flowers by joining the smoothie minigame in Dresden Press Summer Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.